Visually inspect all parts prior to installation to ensure there's no damage from shipping or storage. Measure the pipe diameter to confirm the tapping sleeve range is the correct size. Clean the pipe of dirt and debris. Lubricate the pipe well past the gasket contact area with a thin coat of pipe joint lubricant. Disassemble the tapping sleeve and remove the nuts, washers, and lifter bar from one side of the bolt section. On the other side, back the nuts to the extreme end of each bolt. Place the flanged section onto the pipe. Lightly lubricate the outside smooth surface of the gasket tapers. Attach the lifter bar end of the bolt section to one side of the flange section. Pull the other end of the strap section, with the nuts and lifter bar removed, around the pipe while making sure the tapered ends of the gasket aren't folded or rolled against it. Position the bolts in the lugs on the saddle section and install the lifter bar, washers, and nuts. The lifter bar should be hooked over the lug and sidebar assembly. Carefully rotate the flange to the desired angle. Use a level to ensure the flange is in proper alignment. With all the gaskets flat against the pipe, hand tighten several nuts at each location to hold the unit in place. Use a torque wrench beginning with the center bolts joining each section. Work outwardly and alternate sides as you tighten each nut. Maintain an even gap between all sections from end to end. Partially tighten each nut several times. Work from the middle bolt to the ends, and repeat this process on all the other sections before increasing the torque. Tighten all the nuts several times with incremental torque settings up to the recommended torque. At final torque, the gaps between sections must be the same at each location and equal from end to end. Use a drop-in style gasket or a premium Snap-on Ford Ultra Seal cap style flange gasket. A retaining lip aids positioning and installation, while the compression ring adds superior sealing and performance. For tapping or for connecting valves and fittings to the flange, follow the manufacturer's installation and operation instructions.